Hi guys, and right now I want to say to you what happened last Friday night here in Walking Street, Fields Avenue, and I experienced discrimination or harassment here in Walking Street. It's a Korean guy, and he just only part of that bar, and he just harassed me he not like the simple guy only.
Shaira, I will ask you. He stopped you in the public road.
Yes.
Near bar, high quality.
Yes.
He stopped only you. I walk, but he stopped only you because he afraid to talk with me.
Yes.
Maybe.
After you just custom walk and then
Yes,
you're in the back, and then
I'm
he,
follow to I walk, but he stopped only you.
Yes.
And Georgy also stopped.
Yes.
Stop it.
He saw,
And he start to attack you.
yes, he start to talk already, but not talk simple. He aggressive.
Aggressive.
Yeah, and he use also a hand gesture. Hand gesture like this.
So before your face, he wave his hands.
Yes, even to Georgy, even to my friend another. He
So
use
many friends
gesture.
who
Yes.
work with us, with you.
Yes,
They can
yes.
confirm.
Yes, and he said that I don't have brain, and he said that he's not scared about the police here, even Malacanang or government. He
So
don't care.
he say I'm not care about
Yes.
police.
Yes, because
Yes,
he,
because he work in the bar
yes,
and
I will say to you that this guy, you made me some problem right now because I cannot sleep, and I will maybe soon I will do some law for you or case to you because you made me some depressed right now
yes, Shaira cannot sleep already 2 days after this situation.
because I can dream it. Even the guy I can dream it. The situation I can dream it. Really, he's not good guy. And even the Korean said that policeman, he said. So he not scared about and he not respect the policeman here in the Philippines. And even the law here, he not respect it. And also, he said that why? That policemen know the law here in the Philippines? Of course, that's why they work in police, that they know the law here. They learn how to the law here, how they train themselves being a police here, okay? And I want to say that he is so not like he is the important person here that we cannot take some video here. You cannot say, okay guys, you can remove us or blur us in your video, but no, you're just aggressive and you don't have permission to us also. And you say that, oh, it's illegal. No, you're not illegal. You do some illegal work here in the Philippines. Even you go to government, police, or what is this? You're the wrong here because you're selling Filipino girl here. Understand?
He subscriber, he watch our channel.
I don't care if you
Yes, he can watch and he will understand.
And also, if you know our channel, maybe you say that I'm not liar, that we only take some video here Friday and Saturday. Maybe you ask the owner of this cafe.
Yes.
Even it's Korean guy also, Korean owner also here. Okay, they know that we go only here Friday and Saturday. So don't say that I'm liar and don't say that policemen don't know the law here because you like, I can say you are Pabo in Korean.
I want to ask also Georgy.
Okay, he stopped us and tell, I saw you and you, me and Shaira on YouTube. So, and he tell we should to blur the faces of the all Korean bars. High quality, bad boy, what else? It's banana, yes.
And the cosplay.
Cosplay.
Yes, it was opposite Kokomos. We stand opposite
All
Kokomos.
bars, yes. So we cannot take video because it's a Korean associated like.
Yes. And I think he saws it's my YouTube channel. But when you come to us and
I explained to
explain it's your YouTube channel.
Yes.
So I try to explain him, if you don't want your face on YouTube, you can email to you,
To me or
yes.
or to YouTube. It's okay, no
or
problem.
complain to YouTube.
Yes.
So, and he asked to blur everything,
of
every
course.
faces. So it's many people.
But he said he not afraid police, in Philippine police. He not care about Philippine police.
I think he don't understand. Shaira tried to explain him.
He can speak good English because when I come to
yes.
Yes.
She
he speak
tried to
good.
explain him the chief of police, it's or head of police. Tell we can take video everywhere on the street. It's allowed. Yes, but he asked who is it? It's policeman. It's maybe he don't understand what difference between policeman and head of police.
No, it's the same. If police,
Yes,
it's chief
yes,
of police,
but
it's the
it's-
same.
I don't care if she work in the Malacanang government or in policeman. I don't care, he said. So it means he not care about the more higher than him.
Yes.
So I said, what? Here in Philippines, we're scared about already that one, if we talk about it. But he not scared, and he work in an illegal work here in Philippines. So he need to be good here. He need to maybe follow the rules here, or maybe he will get scared about the government here. But no, you're just thinking about her.
Only about money. But you not say to him you also from police, and you not show you have document from police.
You need to say maybe I get more action to what he do to me.
Okay. Yes.
Because he take money from the girls only. It's illegal here in the Philippines. Even you go where you want, even you ask the government, it's illegal. You can go to jail faster. You know?
So, Georgy, when I already come with camera, he already change, and he talk already with us good.
Yes.
Because when I with camera, he already not talk, not aggressive.
Yes, maybe the reason you
He's
was
not
with
scared
camera.
about you, but he's not scared about talk about. He's scared to talk with you, but to me, he like insulting me. He say that I don't have brain, that I don't know the law here, or maybe I will do some case to you right now, the woman protection right now here in the Philippines, because you harass me in the public. So it's big problem here in the Philippines. Really, you have problem.
Okay, Shaira, so you will continue. You need to already request and ask the police.
Yes, really. I will do some request and I will go to my doctor right now, and I will ask have some papers that I have some depressed from that situation from that Korean. Even last night I can dream it until right now. Like I can't sleep good because of what he do to me, and he insult me. It's not good. If you're a good Korean man, you will not do it. I know all Koreans not do that one to a public and a woman. Know it. You're just a pabong. Call it in Korea, it's pabong. They know already.